Hello, year 5. We start correcting the exercise number 1 of page number 73. So, conductors transmit heat very well, but insulators do not. Conductors are spoon, coin, paper clip. Insulators, pencil, paper, plastic, roller, feathers, plastic roller, okay? Feathers, woolen gloves. Correct the exercise, please. Now, what are we going to do? We've just finished the unit number 5. So what I want you to do, we are going to revise. We are going to revise the unit. Okay? So in order to do that, let's see the presentations of the unit where we have a summary. Are you ready? Yes? Good. We start here.
Light is a form of energy that lets us see objects. The sun is our planet's greatest source of light and heat. Light is the fastest form of energy, and it travels in a straight line. Materials can be transparent, translucent, or opaque, depending on whether light can pass through them or not. Sunlight looks white, but it is really made up of 7 colors.
Red, green, blue, and then here we've got purple, yellow, and what's this color?
Reflection occurs when light hits an object and bounces in another direction. Mirrors are the best reflectors. Refraction occurs when light changes direction as it passes from one material into another. Materials are classified as conductors or insulators, depending on how well they conduct heat. Heat is the flow of thermal energy. When we add thermal energy to a substance, there can be a change of state or volume.
As you can see in this candle. To make really sure that you understand the unit, we are going to do these exercises together. How are we going to do this? I'm going to read the exercise, read the different parts of the exercise. I'm going to give you time for you to answer, and then we will correct them straight away, okay? What I need you to do, please, is once that I say pause the video, you answer the questions, and then you play it again to get the answers, okay? I trust you. So let's do this. We start with the first exercise. Decide if the following sentences are true or false. Explain your answers. First one, we can use electricity to produce light and heat. True or false? Answer. Candles convert chemical energy to light energy. True or false? Answer, please. The last one, anything that produces heat also produces light. True or false? Now pause the video, think about it if you need more time. The answers to these different parts of the exercise are these. True, true, false. The next exercise is match the words to the photos. Are these things related to heat, light, or both? iron, saucepan, magnifying glass, mirror, prism, and candle. We've got these pictures here, and you can see that underneath we have three different options: light, heat, or both. Light, heat, or both in all of them. So first of all, you need to write down here what's the name of these objects. Second, you have to decide if the tip is light, heat, or both. Okay, so now please pause the video. Okay, the answers. Now I'm going to give you the right answers. Here you have them. Correct the exercise, please. Okay, now it's time for a quiz. To the quiz, can you guess the answers to these fun facts about sunlight and heat? Good, you have here different sentences and three different options. You have to decide what is the right option. Let's treat them together. The first one says the sun's light takes about minutes to reach us. What travels faster than light? Air, sound, nothing. Light travels in a line, curved, straight, wavy. White light is made up of one color, three colors, seven colors. The moon's light comes from the earth, the sun, the big stars. We only see the colors that are absorbed, bright, or reflected. Now pause the video, answer the questions, and we will correct them later. Okay, time to correct. Are you ready? These are the right answers for the questions of the quiz. Please correct the sentences. In this exercise, you have a question to start with. How are conductors and insulators different? You need to write down why or how are they different, and then decide if the following objects are insulators or conductors: pencil, paper clips, spoon, roller, coin, feathers, paper, woolen gloves. Here you have the options of insulators or conductors. Now you have a few minutes to answer this exercise. Pause the video and we will correct it later. Now we correct the exercise. The second part, you can see here the right options. In this part, I'd like you to write: conductors are materials that conduct. What do they conduct? Conduct heat, conduct the different sources of energy. And insulators, no, they do not conduct. Here we have the next exercise. Complete the graphic organizer with the words from the box: evaporation, fire, insulator, thermal, transparent, lightning, opaque, mirror, and sunlight. You have three different sections here: light, light and heat. I want you to complete the three parts. Pause the video. We will correct it afterwards. Have you finished? Okay, so here you have the answers. Correct them, please. Okay, now read the clues and guess the words. It is a natural material that keeps you warm in winter. 4 letters. They generate the electricity that makes a torch work. 9 letters. It is a flow of thermal energy from one place to another. 4 letters. This happens whenever a substance volume increases 9 letters. It is an adjective to describe anything that is not natural. 10 letters. This is a word for how fast or slow an object is traveling. 5 letters. It is a transparent object that can break up white light. 5 letters. And the last one, this is a word for how hot or how cold something is. 9 letters. I guess that for this exercise you will need more time. Pause the video, we will correct it afterwards. Are you ready for the corrections? Here you have them. They were very easy. I hope that you got most of them right. Finally, you have this exercise. You have some words here and some gaps here. Okay, so please complete these sentences using the words that you can see inside the box. Pause the video to do it. Time to correct. This is the correction for this exercise. So I hope that you liked the lesson. Please, now what do you have to do? You have to study the whole unit. Why? Because next week we will do a test, okay, to see what do you know and what you don't know or you don't understand about this unit. So from now on, read, study, and ask me all the questions you have. Okay? Hope you liked the lesson. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.